Guys, we are on vacation right now, and we are in the mountains. And that's my dad. And we are in the mountains in the summer.
It's baby sister.
And we are in the mountains. Believe it or not, it's the summer. And it's the woods. We also got some nice pictures. It's in Blue. We're at Blue Knob. Blue Knob. There's some houses. Well, that's not a house. What is that?
Still, where's Zippin? Where's Zippin?
Oh, lip on fell.
And we are staying at vacation here. And these are the houses. They look like that.
There's our place.
Where? Daddy and I also want to make a video of what the house looks like.
Okay. Let's see what's up here.
Like and subscribe and comment down below. There. Now you can see. You can't see yourself when I turn the camera around.
No, just give it to me.
So you can't see yourself. Here, hold it like that. And now you can only see me. Can you see me? There. Oh, hello. And there's also a pool right across the street from where we're staying, and we're
There's
going.
a pool at house.
Yeah, and talk about how much fun we had swimming yesterday.
We had swimming so much, and I even had swimming very much.
Tell her how Mama was holding you. charger.
Charger. What's back at the house? Phone's about to die?
Yeah, it's on 5%.
Let's go back to the charger. That's really important because we'll be out here with no. Look, a hawk.
Where? I can't. Oh, yeah. Look. I'll see if I can film. Here it is.
That might be a buzzer or something. That might be a hawk.
Buzzer?
Or like a.
There's everybody. And I'm going to make another video
There's 3
of the house tour. Oh,
people